Okay, today I was sanding back up in there in the cockpit. I didn't get that side or this area in here. I didn't do that, but all inside the cockpit, all where the nav station was and where the galley was. Pulled all the formica off, that fake wood formica that they had on all the panels. Sanded those. Kind of hit the tops of the settees a little bit. Sanded back in there. Gotta do it again. Again, pull the formica off all on the sides. Over here. Sanded it all down. It was completely green. So, I guess coming along. Yeah, did inside the cockpits. Did the inside of the doors right there. Gonna pull them off and do a better job. Put that one over there. Formica. Got some cardboard for templates. Very hot. But I don't mind sanding. It's pretty good. Actually, the Dewalt cordless sander that I got, I went through 6 batteries. This one's almost dead. This is 4 amp. I got 2 4 amps and 4 2 amps. And it lasted a good 4 hours. So I can't complain. It did a really great job. The only thing is I keep turning it down, not realizing it. So I got to keep adjusting the speed. Other than that, it's been pretty decent.